Hello friends, welcome to another Hello Friendly Fox YouTube video. Today we are going to unbox the April 2022 Artsnacks box. I went ahead and ordered it again. I just can't stay away, So let's see what we got this month. I have no idea what's in there. Maybe it's paint, maybe it's markers. A little bit of heaviness to this. Gouache. Okay, we have gouache. Gouache is awesome. And a Filbert brush and a pencil from Zebra. I know that because I've had Zebra pencils like this many times over the years. This is a classic design, I'll say. I've had pens like this and pencils. And then an interesting sticker. So I have a number 12 of this brush already. I guess the number 8 will work just as good. So in this box we got 2 Holbein acrylic gouache tubes, $9.25 retail each. With Holbein acrylic gouache, what you see is what you get. This opaque, highly pigmented paint dries quickly with minimal color shift, so it appears the same wet and dry. It performs similarly to traditional gouache, but is water resistant once dry due to its acrylic resin binder. This makes laying your new paints a breeze. So I got Ultramarine Deep and Cosmos Pink. Next is the Princeton Snap Series 9650 Golden Synthetic Brush Filbert. Oh snap, the golden synthetic brush from Princeton is fun and functional. Ideal for acrylic and watercolor. The Snap, what about gouache? The Snap brush has Taklon bristles that spring back into place and retain their shape use after use. You will find this Filbert shape is great for blending and working in tight areas. Okay. And last is the Zebra M301 mechanical pencil, 0.5 millimeter. Retail is $3.14. So with Zebra, you can expect style, precision, and performance. Their M301 mechanical pencil combines a sleek, sophisticated look with a rugged stainless steel body for lasting functionality. Its lightweight barrel and non-slip grip make for a comfortable sketching experience. Wowie zowie. How did the paintbrush win the lottery? They had a stroke of good luck. So this is my, I thought they were going to get better. I don't know what I'm expecting. This is underwhelming again. I mean, I already have this brush, essentially, the 12. And the pencils, every other month there's a new pencil. Like, here's the one from a few months ago. I don't use it. It just happens to be on my desk. Last month's box was pretty cool. A lot of different stuff in it. This one, a pencil and 2 things of paint. Okay, let's try this stuff out. Just being optimistic here. April 2022 Artsnacks. And I have some regular ink paper. Just see how this stuff blends together. A little bit of liquid in there. Do I need to shake it first or what? Made in Japan. Okay. think we know what a pencil looks like. This is nothing new. Zebra. Kind of looks like a Batman symbol, Batman logo. This says permanency rating of 2 out of 4. Interesting. So the Cosmos pink, it's not really a bright pink. A little more muted of a color. Whereas this blue seems to be a more saturated, a little more brightness to it. So really I got 3 colors going on here. This purple is not too bad. And I like this blue. The pink, you know, it's a good color. I guess they complement well. What should I draw, guys? What do you think? Alright, so I think I have an idea of what I'm going to draw. Just 3 colors. I'm going to bring back these line makers from a few months ago to outline what I'm going to draw here. I think I'm going to draw my fox character, just like a portrait. Well, this has been my Artsnacks April 2022 unboxing and Artsnacks challenge. I ended up drawing my fox character, just posing in like a robe or something. And with the 2 colors that we got, gouache colors, it was pink and the deep blue. And I made this purple color, which I think tied the 2 colors together better because I blended them, of course. But I think if you just had the blue and the pink, you know, the pink is a little more muted and not quite as vibrant, but you know, I didn't mind these. I like gouache a lot because it's like paint and watercolor both in one, just the way that you can work with them. So I'm happy with gouache anytime I get it. I don't know anything about this brand as far as this exact line of paints. So they worked pretty good. The Princeton brush was good. It was fine, you know, nothing spectacular. Just another brush to add to the collection of other brushes I've gotten. You know, here's another one. So, I mean, it worked good. It was, I probably wish I had a thinner brush for some of these other areas, and I probably could have used this one for some of those spots, but I ended up just sticking with the one brush for this drawing. And this pencil, it's a great classic pencil, but you know, you can find it anywhere. If you go to Office Depot or Walmart or anywhere, you can find these zebra pens and pencils. So, you know, nothing too exciting in this box. I don't know what I would grade it as somebody who's cutting their grass all of a sudden. But, you know, once again, I feel like we got shorted. You know, there's essentially 3 products in here. Yeah, okay, these are about $10 each, but I don't know. Sometimes you feel like you could just use one more item in the box and just complete it. So, you know, like me using these black pens to outline everything, just was one more element. If I didn't have that, I don't think it would have looked as good as of a drawing. But I think it turned out pretty good overall. Anyway, this has been my review. Let me know if you liked it. What colors did you get if you got one of these boxes this month? And, you know, what do you think? Did you have any thoughts or comments? You know, leave them below. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you watching all the way through. It means a lot. You know, I'm just drawing and having fun and, you know, doing some stuff. I used to draw a lot when I was younger, and I'm been getting back into it the last couple years here. So, you know, this is just a hobby of mine, and I really like to just mess around and draw. I used to draw cars a lot when I was a kid. And here I'm just expanding, drawing characters, drawing random stuff like this, I guess. You know, if you see something that you like, I might have it on a t-shirt. You can check out my website, hellofriendlyfox.com. And I have a print-on-demand website that sells, you know, shirts and other things, stickers. So check it out. I have an Etsy store. Anyway, have a great day. I'm done talking.